Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDCAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar for 9th April 2021. So this analysis is for 9th April only. You'll see me next week again with the analysis for the coming week. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching my videos for the first time for regular market analysis. I bring videos on daily basis so that you can stay ahead of the market. And please do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of US dollar, Canadian dollar right now. And as you can see, after falling with a huge speed, market also recovered with the same speed again, and after reaching this particular level we can see that market was in a range right now, and still market is trading in a particular range, and there is no doubt about it. Okay, so we can see that there is no such resistance available here in the 4 hours time frame or any hourly time frame, but we have the answer in the weekly time frame. Okay, the time frame of the bigger players, the big boys. We can see that this is the weekly time frame, and market is getting resistance from this level 1.2616 level for the last 3 weeks. Previous week also market tried to cross the resistance, but market failed. This week also market tried to cross the level but failed. Before that also market failed. For the 3 consecutive weeks, market is trying its best to cross the resistance, but market is unable to do so. As a result, market is stuck in a range right now. So this is the reason. Okay, this is the reason market is unable to cross the range that I showed you, and that's why the multiple time frame analysis is important to find out the answers that we do not see in our usual charts. Okay, so what should be a strategy then? As we have seen, market is in a range right now. Sorry, market is unable to break the resistance. So this is the resistance. Okay, and what do we need to do? Okay, we just need to short the market when market will be going for the resistance again. Right now market is trading here. Okay, and as you can see we have the resistance, but we do not have any support for the market here except this level, and this level is very far away. Okay, this level is very much far away from the current market price, so we will not be considering this level as of now because today is Friday. Okay, and market is trading here, so we don't need to consider this level as of now, because in case market falls also, then we cannot short the market here because stop loss will be very far away. We will be going against the discipline, and as I always say, before executing the trade you should always find the area of value. In case of buy orders, the area of value will be just above the support, and in case of sell orders, the area of value will be just below the resistance. Okay, so sticking with the discipline, we'll have to wait for the market. Okay, we'll have to wait for the market to either go up or either come down to this particular level or the previous low. Okay, wait for the market to either go up or down. When market will be going up and market will reach this particular resistance, just observe the price. If you see that price is struggling, price is unable to break the resistance, yes, big market will struggle because market has extreme resistance available at this price level. In Once you get a confirmation that yes, price is about to reverse from here, you can just short the market. Okay, and on the other hand, if market crosses this level, do not buy. Okay, do not buy because the week is about to end and you should not start a fresh order, and this resistance is providing resistance to the market. Okay, not allowing the market to cross for last 3 weeks, so this resistance is very weak. So in case market crosses the level, do not trade. Okay, if it reverses only, you should short the market below this resistance. On the other hand, if market comes down to this particular resistance, sorry, support level. Okay, see, because this level do not have much of a support. Okay, still we can think that a market may bounce from the previous low. So in case market bounces from here, Just wait for the confirmation. Okay, do not trade without confirmation. Confirmation will be in the form of a hammer, price rejection from below, or a bullish green candle. Once you get a confirmation that yes, previous low is acting as a support or providing a temporary support to the market, you can go for a buy above this level. Okay, so this is the strategy that you can follow for US dollar Canadian dollar for 9th April. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're watching my videos for the first time. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you next week. Bye bye.